Hi everyone, it's Shell here from Designs by Shell. Thanks for joining me today. I've got my coffee. I just came back from a nice walk. The sun was shining. It's quite crisp out there, but it was a really enjoyable walk. And so now I'm gonna share some cards with you. So these are super simple cards that I've been making these last few here. I've used these cutouts that I purchased in these little packages from Michael's. I bought them a couple weeks ago. And they're just different cutouts here. I'll show you what we've got. There's some words in here like Merry Christmas, and this pretty green, looks like kind of a foil font there. And then we've got some pine cones and some berries and greenery there. This is a really cute one that I've used on one of the cards. This is a little snowman. It's kind of a vintagey looking one. He's got some greenery and holly berries around him, a star on his branch there, and cute little rosy cheeks. Here's some more of the pine cones and holly berries there. Here's another one I've used today. It's this cute little reindeer. He's got a wreath around his neck, some berries and a little bow on there. Here's one with a green Christmas tree, and then it says Merry Christmas in kind of some red ink with some kind of snow on the top of the letters there. Fun and festive. And here's a cute little the old station wagon with the Christmas tree on top. Looks like a family's just been out collecting their tree, and the station wagon's full of gifts there. Here's like an old world Santa, and he's got a big wreath there. His old black boots and kind of cool looking, very vintagey. And this last one is a wreath with a kind of a woodland owl on there and some greenery. And when I bought these, I didn't even realize that they were stickers, so that was kind of neat when I discovered that. So the backs have a line on them, and then you just lift up the backing, and they're sticky underneath there so that you can use them on any card bases or on a gift or something like that. So I went ahead and used some of these on some cards that I've made here. Just grab a sip of coffee there. Okay, so let's see, I'll show you these cards here. So this first one, the background, I have still been using the papers from the Holiday Ballet paper pad that I have been talking about in the last few videos. So this one is really pretty. It's candy canes and holly and little candies on there, and just some gold lines on there, really cute background. So I cut that out with my rectangle die for that. And I did some layering with the scallop. I cut out this gold foil in one of the size scallops, and then layered it with a smaller white one. And then just used some of the words that were already existing in the paper pad as well, Let It Snow. And then I just took two of those stickers and layered them up on there. So I used the snowman that I showed you, the vintage snowman, and the reindeer. And I thought that turned out really cute. So super simple cards to make. If you can find some of these pre-cut out stickers at your craft shop, you'll be set and you can make a lot of cards quickly. So this background is also from that paper pad, Holiday Ballet. It's kind of a red and green just pattern on there. Looks nice and festive. And then I layered that tree on there with the Merry Christmas, and then the vintage Santa on there. I had embossed one of those round snowflakes, cut out with my round circle die there, and added that on top. I added that on some 3D dots on the back there to raise it up a little bit. And I think they turned out really sweet. So we're gonna go ahead, and I've got another one on the go here, so we'll just finish that off. So you don't have to use a patterned piece of cardstock for your backgrounds necessarily. For this one, I just used a piece of plain red cardstock, cut that out with my rectangle die, and I put that on a A2 card base. So that's what we're going to use for the background. And then I cut out with one of my stitch circle dies this pattern paper, which is the same as the one I used for the Santa one, and in a round circle. So we're gonna put that on here. And then I'll just go ahead and add the stickers as well. I think I'll just leave it like that for now. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you get some inspiration from this, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.